Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel Innovative Chemistry. Students, today I am ready with a very interesting and modern experiment, and the name of this experiment is Welcome Light. This experiment you show the place where chief guest cut the ribbon. So instead cutting the ribbon or along with cutting the ribbon, you can use Welcome Light to welcome your guest, to welcome your chief guest. How it is possible? Very simple. For this we required few things. We required candles. Here you can see candles are here. We required concentrated sulfuric acid for the making of Welcome Light. And the most important thing, we required the mixture of potassium chlorate and sugar. This is the mixture of potassium chlorate and sugar in the equal amount, 50% sugar and 50% potassium chlorate. The formula of potassium chlorate is KClO3. For taking the sulfuric acid, we need one dropper also and one spatula also. So how to exhibit, how to present this experiment? Let's understand. Student, you are watching, this is a nice beautiful candle stand. Here many different color shades candle is there. In front of this candle stand there are two white candles which I have cut it from the middle, and I pour this mixture. I am going to pour this mixture on these two candles which are these white colors. So I am just taking a small amount of this mixture and introducing on both the candles very slowly. So this is the mixture. Now keep everything safe. Now this is the bottle of sulfuric acid. Now what you need to do after arranging everything, you can do same thing with all the candles, or you can do this thing with one or two candles as I have done. I am taking a small amount of sulfuric acid and just take few drop of sulfuric acid in the dropper. After that, keep the sulfuric acid bottle very safe because it is highly corrosive in nature, we all know. I am keeping it here. And after that, you request your chief guest to pour one or two drops sulfuric acid on the candles, and let's see what will happen after that. And automatically your candle is ignite. I am doing the same thing on the another candle also. So here also your candle is igniting. So this is how you present this experiment. After that, you keep the sulfuric acid again back into the bottle very carefully. So this is how you represent this experiment called Welcome Light. You can ask your chief guest to introduce a drop of sulfuric acid on the candles, on all the candles on which you have done this thing, or on the candles on which you poured the mixture of potassium chlorate and sugar, and see this looking very mesmerizing and very beautiful. So at the time of ribbon cutting, you can present such type of candle stand to make your chief guest happy. Thank you very much. I hope you are liking our channel. So please do like and subscribe our channel for the more interesting and amazing videos. Thank you very much.